Are you new to trading? Well, today we'll dive into a powerful tool for traders, Bollinger Bands. Let's see how they help you make informed decisions. So some of you might be asking yourself, what are indicators? Well, indicators are essential tools in technical analysis consisting of mathematical calculations based on price, volume, or open interest of a security. They help traders identify trends, momentum, volatility, and market strength, enabling more informed trading decisions. So using indicators is crucial for several reasons, including market trend analysis, signal strength, and enhanced decision making. Today we're going to be diving into one indicator known as Bollinger Bands. So what are Bollinger Bands? So Bollinger Bands are a popular technical analysis tool developed by John Bollinger. They consist of 3 lines that help traders assess market volatility and price levels. So first there is the middle band. This is the simple moving average of the security's price, typically calculated over a period of 20 days. It serves as the central line and indicates the overall trend direction. Secondly, it's the upper band. This line is calculated by adding a set number of standard deviations to the middle band. It represents a level of potential resistance, suggesting that prices might be overbought when approaching this band. Then lastly, we have the lower band. This line is calculated by subtracting the same set number of standard deviations from the middle band. It indicates a level of potential support, suggesting that prices might be oversold when nearing this band. So how do Bollinger Bands adapt to market volatility? Well, we see this by the tight bands and wide bands. With the tight bands meaning when the bands are close together, it indicates low volatility and a potential upcoming price breakout. When the bands are wide, this signals high volatility, suggesting that significant price movement has occurred or is still likely to occur. So this adaptability makes Bollinger Bands a valuable tool for identifying potential trading opportunities based on changing market conditions. Traders often use them to gauge whether prices are high or low relative to historical norms, thus enhancing their decision-making process. So when are Bollinger Bands useful? So Bollinger Bands are practically helpful in several trading scenarios, including when identifying overbought or oversold trading conditions. So what does that mean? When the price touches or exceeds the upper band, it may indicate an overbought condition, suggesting that a price correction would occur. Conversely, when the price touches or falls below the lower band, it may indicate an oversold condition, signaling a potential rebound. Secondly, they are useful in spotting potential reversals. A price move towards the lower band or upper band can serve as a precursor to a possible reversal. For example, if the price approaches the upper band and shows signs of weakness, traders might look for selling opportunities. Similarly, when the price nears the lower band and begins to consolidate, it can indicate a potential upward reversal. Thirdly, they are also useful in assisting in trend continuation analysis. Bollinger Bands can help traders analyze whether a trend is likely to continue. If the price consistently stays near the upper band during an uptrend, it suggests strong buying momentum. In a downtrend, if the price consistently hovers near the lower band, it indicates persistent selling pressure. So guys, by using Bollinger Bands in these scenarios, traders can make more informed decisions about entering or exiting positions, thus enhancing their overall trading strategy. So guys, let's step into the chart and then I show you how to apply the Bollinger Band and how to use it. So on Olymp Matix, it's very easy. What you just need to do is just go to this button right there, and then you can see the first option that's gonna be there is gonna be Bollinger Bands, right? And then you're gonna press it like that, and then it's gonna show like so. Okay, and then we can clearly see here on the analysis on the 1 minute time frame that immediately when price reaches the upper band, what usually happens, the price will sell, and then once the price reaches the lower band, the price will buy. So that's basically how we're going to analyze and look at the market on how to be taking our better trading decisions, right? And looking if once it breaks the middle band, and then you look for potential continuation as well. So that's how the Bollinger Band works. But then I do advise that do also use it with other indicators as well, so that you can have a stronger trading strategy and not just rely on one indicator, but rely on multiple confluences to take a better form decision. Okay guys, as you can see, we did reach the lower band, and that means there's a possibility that price might reverse, right? That is what I explained, and you can see from the price action that it has also went through the middle band. And what does that mean? This means there's a possible price continuation from this immediate reversal, so we can take our trade based on those confluences, as I explained in the video on how to use this Bollinger Band. You can also practice using a demo. As you can see, I was using a demo there to show you guys how effective this is. And yeah man, you can just practice and do the most, and also use other indicators as well and other confluences, not just this alone, because that is very important so that you can have a better trade confluence and make a better informed decision. But then with the rules explained on how the Bollinger Bands work, you can really see that we're having an amazing trade. As you can see there, beautiful $150 win on the demo account. But then yeah guys, do try this out yourself. And if you've forgotten, as I said, with the technical indicator, just go here and then you can choose any of them, right? This is the Bollinger Band, and this is how you put it on the chart with that button over there next to the instruments you want to trade, and it's usually the first one, Bollinger Bands. And yeah man, you'll find it there, and then put it, and then you'll see it on the charts, and you can start using that Bollinger Band. And yeah man, with that said, I'm out. Alright guys, so from that little trading session, you saw how the trading Bollinger Bands work. So what I can remind you about them is that they are very useful when it's time to show us where the price is going to reverse to take a buy or a sell, or where the price is going to continue from our buying or selling opportunities. So they're quite useful in showing us whether the price is ready to reverse or whether the price is ready to continue. You know what I'm saying? Also guys, I advise that you do use them with other confluences as well, like other indicators or other technical analysis forms, so that you can have a better informed trading decision and a great trade based on multiple trading confluences rather than using one confluence. So guys, with that said, if you enjoyed the video and the video was informative to you, please like, share, comment, subscribe. And we are a road to 1,000 subscribers, so do hit that like button. And if you're looking for the free trading robot, the link is below guys. Do click that and start making money like I do. With that said guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Goodbye.